and welcome to your first class in Zooarchaeology with a safe cultural heritage group. My name is Ágnes Font, and over the next 6 weeks, I will be your mentor. I'm from Hungary, from Europe. I studied archaeology, and my main specialization is zooarchaeology, and I'm mainly working on materials from medieval period. During my studies, I also gained expertise in microscopic analysis, user analysis, experimental archaeology, as well as bone working, which is a subsector of zooarchaeology. As you could see in a previously uploaded document, this course is an introduction to this field of research. As we do not have the opportunity to study in practice on real archaeological material, you will get acquainted with the history, methods, trends, and main issues during this course in this field of research. As a first exercise, I would like to ask you to introduce yourself, either in the form of a short video or a short text. Who are you? Where are you from? What interests you in terms of heritage, history, archaeology, and why did you choose this course?